Yeah, so I'm done with the carburetor. This time I am cleaning the cylinder itself, opening the intake and exhaust, and also trying to clean everything. And after that, I'm done. Yeah, so this is how everything looks like. I took the top part of it and I remove the cylinder cover. This is the cover for the cylinder right here. It goes like that, just like this. Yep, so I took it out. It was there just like that. I took it out. Now you can see the intake, exhaust, and the piston is right there. And I also took, this is for the exhaust. I took that also out. Right. Now this is for the oil. I took that also out. Now you can see very clear. This is where the oil resides until it is transferred for lubrication of the engine. The engine on a top on way a one cylinder engine, so the only cylinder is this one right here. This is one cylinder engine, so that is it. Now the moment I begin to spin this right here, then you will see the piston is coming out, and this is how it works. See, the piston came out. I already clean it a little bit. I'm gonna clean more after recording. And the moment that the piston is going back, you see the intake is open. Now it was sealed. Let me come a little bit. You see how the piston is at the very top and this is closed. Now the piston is going back in the intake mode. This is open. The air is coming from here to enter this place. The air is coming here through the intake manifold. Let me clean that a little bit. Through the intake manifold. And after that, this is right after the intake is taking place is when ignition is getting ready and the combustion is gonna start. Now the piston is coming to the top again to push and create the fire, and as the piston is going back, the exhaust is gonna open. Now this time it's not the intake, it's the exhaust. Now the exhaust is, you see the piston is going back now, and this is open because there is a gap here that all the exhaust gases goes out through here, and it comes out, and you see it coming out right here. This is the exhaust. So that is the principle of operation of the Craftsman mower. This is the mower that I use to mow the grass. So this process continue over and over and over and over. As I am spinning, and the process continue over and over and over and over, and its intake is gonna open and close, and exhaust is gonna open. So all of them opens when the piston is going back. The intake is gonna open when the piston is going back. Now, after the intake is open, the exhaust, this is the intake and this is the exhaust. This is also gonna open as the piston is going back. At some point, they are all sealed here. is when combustion is taking place. Na egya no aso nti nowhere to escape no. We need be crash fuel and air mixture no a na ignition also from the spark plug no. And so ama egya na ye kese. Then na ama machine a crazy more. Now it spins fast at the very fast pace. That is what it is. So I took the top part, I inspected everything. It looks very clean. And yep, that is it.